Hello students, my name is Lee Hastings, and this video is for all of my blended and in-person students. You will have everything you need on Google Classroom, and I am inviting each one of you directly from Google Classroom. So if you will, on your laptop, go to classroom.google.com, or your DCS email should also provide you with an email that will give you a link to go directly there. And I've already invited you to join, so I really don't think, some of you will have already joined with the code that I gave you if you came by to visit and let me know that you were maybe going to be blended and starting virtually. But the rest of you, you should be able to easily just click join class because I'm inviting you directly from there. Everything you need will be on Google Classroom, and just come back to Google Classroom regularly for all updates and for all information. Whether you're in the classroom or at home, whether you're just absent one day because you're sick like you would have been last year or the year before, everything you need will be on Google Classroom so you can get your work done there. If not, you are welcome to email me at lee.hastings@dcs.edu, and I can help you get whatever it is maybe you can't find or can't open, okay? I can't wait to work with you. Nice to meet you. Goodbye.